Again, IDP will be very angry with me. So hi everyone, today once again we are going to have a debate session with the students who were not able to participate very well last time. And this time I have given you a lot of time to prepare yourself. So are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Guys, you know in army they ask you how's the Josh?
Yes, sir. Hi, sir.
It's high.
How's the Josh? Hi, sir. How's the Josh? Hi, sir. I said, how's the Josh? Hi, sir. Good.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
I can't hear you guys. How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
Now it's high. Okay, Ji. So I hope this energy would be visible here also if you come. Because it is you guys have a choice this time to come here or not. Some of you have already made up their mind to become an audience, but if any of you feels like coming here, okay, after being the audience too, you are allowed to come. Clear everyone? So guys, this time there are no teams. Whoever will win the maximum debates or whose debate I like the most will get this mystery box. Okay, with this maybe I'll give you one more gift. Okay, let's see, it depends. If I really feel that you have done a great job, I'll add one more gift with that. So let's see what is in this mystery box after you somebody wins it. And the rules are, any of you can come here, and when the person is here, any of you guys can challenge that person. Or let's make it easy, as I would like to go with your preparation only. Whoever is coming here will let everybody know, I wanna challenge on this topic to somebody. Whatever the topic you choose, only on that topic you would have somebody to compete with. Is it clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Rules are very simple. The debate will be for 3 minutes only, and you guys have to speak English and try your best. In those 3 minutes, nobody will interrupt you. And this time finally you guys are going to be recorded as well. And let's see how the things are going to work out. Clear everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. So who wish to come here first? Very good. Keshav, please come. Now I would like to know who wish to challenge. Keshav, what topic would you like to have debate on?
Girls should have to work.
Girls have to work. You want to support that girls have to
I have to
work. Okay. Who wish to compete with him? Please. I wanna see some hands raised. Yes, anyone? Seriously? I was not expecting this. He is here with the topic that girls must work. Who wish to come here and compete with him?
Sir, I want to support them. I want to support that person.
See, when I was here last time, did I ask no, I want to support. I also feel like girls must work, but I supported the opinion which I was not in the side of. Why? I wanted to test myself. I always tell you, in your comfort zone, obviously you are the best. In your mind, you speak very good English. I know that. But when you are in your uncomfort zone, you know, I was not in the side of that debate. Okay, I was not favoring that girls must not work. But as I got this topic, or I had to choose that side only, I went for it.
Yes, sir. Sir, today is my topic to debate with you.
I know the topic. Please
Yes.
come to the point. What you really wanna say?
I want to say that women have more courage to
So
do something.
men do not have the courage, you
Men
mean?
also,
Right, everyone? So please don't think like that. Come here, it's okay. Think about it. You guys have done enough preparation.
Only one chance we will get.
You guys can get multiple chances. The way you are participating, मुझे लग रहा है काफी chances मिलेंगे आपको. Clear? Paris is coming. Very good, Paris. Thank you so much. Start.
Hey bro, today debate, my topic is girls should have to work. What do you think? I think girls have to work.
I don't think girls should work.
Bro, they have to work because they have
as
to
they-
pursue
there are
their
some
dreams.
safety
They have to do.
problems
No, bro,
No,
they are not
there
safety problems.
The
They are
environment
not.
is
No,
good
no,
there.
no. Environment is
No,
too
in this
good.
situation,
You
environment
can
is
go
not good.
anywhere.
I don't think the
Nobody
environment is
can
good
touch
there.
you. Nobody can do something
see
with
yesterday only
you.
news in
Why
the
are you so much
I
shouting?
don't
No,
think
no.
I see
I don't
yesterday
think
only news.
anything.
I
No.
see that yesterday.
Environment
That is a rape case in the
Where?
in the UP. I see yesterday.
in the UP,
There are
if there
some
are any
parts
cons,
in
there
the-
are
in India,
there
there
are
is
no, bro.
not.
No.
No,
There
they
are
are
too
not
many.
safe. I don't
Firstly, shut your voice. Then speak properly.
know. No, there is not safe.
No, there are too much safe.
There is not
There are too
safe.
many
There
girls
is
who
safe.
take Rapido. Who take Rapido? Do you know what is Rapido? Rapido is
Rapido
a
is
bike
already
taxi.
rape cases, I am
No,
saying it.
not only, not all.
I don't think.
Do you do this?
Huh?
Do you do? If you want to.
Do you do this?
No.
I don't
I think they have to work because they have
There
to
is
pursue
not a
their
safe
dreams.
environment in the
You are
India.
only have a one.
There is not a safe environment in India.
No, bro. There are too many.
I
They,
can-
these
I-
all girls are safe. You
I-
are safe.
I can also
you
say
feel
that
safe.
you are only one.
There are too many girls
I
who
can also
safe.
say that
There
you are
are a
only one.
woman who is safe here.
I
Ma'am,
don't
are you
think
safe
India is
here?
safe. I don't think India is one.
No.
I think
There
India
are
is not
no.
safe.
India is safe, bro. Does your please don't mind. Does your parents, does your any female relative, does your any sister, do you have sister?
Yes.
Sister, you have sister. Does anybody from your school or her school wanted to touch her?
If you touch her, I will kill the man.
Does anybody touch her? Does till date?
Why I will let
Till
anyone touch her?
date. Till date.
Why I will let her anyone touch her?
Till date.
Don't be very touchy. Okay, talk about something else.
Sir, he just have only one topic: safety. There are too many things. Girl have to work.
The
Bro,
environment is
no.
not good there.
If girl don't work,
They
they
don't-
won't any chance.
They
Their
don't-
parents
don't
pressure
get-
them
they don't
to
get
do
that
only
opportunity
marry.
in this. They don't get opportunity.
No.
Let me
Too many.
don't get opportunity.
Our government do reserved seats for girls. Still what?
Still the environment is not good there.
Bro, you have only one topic. Environment is not good. Environment is not good. There are
Say
too many
another
girls
topic, say another
in this institution. There are too many girls come to want to go study abroad only on their
You are
self.
thinking of only few girls.
Bro, too many girls
what of
are-
another? What of another?
Too many girls. Only
many
few
girls?
are have.
What of another?
Bro, too many girls are there.
How many?
How? Maybe
There are only few girls.
99.99%.
Only few girls I am saying.
No.
There are
I say what I'm
I am
saying.
telling you, I said that I saw news yesterday only.
No, bro. There. How many girls yesterday are born? First, let me complete first.
Is that news?
How
a
many
fake?
girls?
Is that news a fake?
I don't know.
Then
It's
how,
maybe.
Then how you can
It's
say,
maybe.
How you can say that?
How many
it is not
girls
very good?
taking birth yesterday?
Okay, without wasting much time, I would like to choose who is the winner. Okay.
Sir, may I remove?
So the
But sir,
winner
he do very great.
is very tough to find, I guess. Both of them have shown a great potential, great spirit of debate. That was I, looking for last time as well. But thank you so much, guys. It was like a debate. When you were debating, it was like a debate. So that was really, really good. You both have played really well. Okay, Paris has supported the side which he was not in. He didn't want to support that side, but still he did it and he tried his best. But Paris, you were, talking about one point again and again and again. Okay, and one thing, okay, when you are talking, I know it is a debate, but when you were talking about that touch and other things, those were not good to talk about. Although yes, when it
Sir,
is
he's
about
topping only safety. Then
that
what is
why,
safety?
Yeah,
Sir.
could be spoken in a better way as well. But anyway, the winner is Keshav. Congratulations, with Keshav.
Sure.
So Keshav has 5 points now. Okay. So as anybody else comes, we will see who has the maximum points. That person only will get the mystery box and one more box. That is also full of mystery. Clear, everyone? Thank you so much. Keshav, have a seat. Who wish to come next? Yes, sir. Prab, very good. Nice, Prab. Very much expected. I was expecting you in the very first round only. Okay. So next, who wish to? What is your topic? What topic you would like to have a debate on?
Girls are better than boys.
Girls are better than boys. So would you like to support girls or boys?
Girls, obviously.
You want to support girls. So yes, guys. So Prab thinks girls are better than boys. Is there any boy or girl who wants to say no, boys are better? So how many of you wish to compete with Prab? Raise your hand. Guys, please. Where is that? Yes, thank you so much, Paris. Very happy to see you. As there is only one challenger, okay.
Sir,
anybody
can do.
Yeah, anybody can come. Okay, you can even come again because he is challenging and he has accepted the challenge. Is it clear? Start.
Well, I think girls are better than boys.
Boys are better than girls.
Why do you think so?
Because they are still ahead of girls at a time in each field.
No, it is mentioned by Mother Nature also that girls are always being better than boys because they are girls and they are mothers also and they are the reasons we are here.
But when we see about the different fields, the boys are way ahead than girls, and they're still doing better than girls.
Bro, if I'm talking about the academics, they are way more better than the boys. They are always in the merit list. And recently, as the result came from the PSCB and the CBSE also, and girls top in that. And one girl from MGN Public School, she has topped in the Jalandhar city from, she got 99% in the whole Jalandhar. So it is already mentioned that girls are way more
boys
better
are
than
still-
boys, and girls are, you know, very much strong. They have to face, you know, so many problems like physically also and mentally also, but still they are way more better than boys. But still they have to do their work and they have to take care of their responsibilities, and they are doing way more better than boys. And if I'm talking about their pregnancy, and you know, when a girl is pregnant and she is going
can
to
also
give
handle the
and she is going to,
situation
let me
like-
complete this, she is going to give a birth to a baby, and you know that much pain, what kind of pain they have to feel. It is about just feel 206 bones will crack in a second, or in a same time. They have to feel that much pain,
Boys are
and
also
that
in pain,
that's why they are
emotional pain.
they are more
And they
powerful.
still
And
have
it is
that
mentioned
strength to
it is mentioned in our, you know, spiritual books also, that a mother who gave birth to the god also, by a girl, a god came to this world to give examples, to set examples, to make this world better. So this is how a girl is better than boys. There's always a start from the girls only. So I think girls are way more better than they, and there are so many movies are making on the girls, and nowadays
are still better
girls
than
are
many
getting the
different aspects.
opportunities, you know, girls are starting getting the opportunities, like they are doing very good in every field. Like there's a movie also recently, a girl who was a loco.
Okay, thank you. Very good. At least you tried. See, when it is a debate, Paris, you don't need to wait for the chance, right? I told you already the example of Khera Palace. Okay, I went there. I was not getting the food, you know, in my plate.
Yes.
So how the things worked out there. So at that time, I, you know, had to forcefully get the chance. So sometimes, if you are waiting for the chance, you may not get the chance. So this is why try to steal the chances.
I'm trying, sir, but
It's
he is
okay,
better.
but you performed way more better than your first performance. Okay, that is actually the matter of concern. So that is very good. Both of you have done really a good job. But obviously the winner is very clear. That is Prab. Congratulations, Prab.
Thank you,
With this round only you got 5 points, and now Keshav and Prab both have 5 points. Is it clear? So if anybody wins over them or wants to win over them, you do need to get more points. Clear, everyone? And both of you can even come again.
I want to.
Okay.
Sir, but I said.
Now you cannot be the challenger. You cannot challenge somebody. The person will come and you can, you know, accept the challenge only. Keshav and Prab. If somebody comes here, you can raise your hand, and then after, if the person chooses you, then you can come and compete with that person. Clear, everyone? Okay, so who wants to come here next? Yes, guys, I don't want to wait here. Please let me know who is coming here. Quickly make up your mind. Yes. Keshav, you cannot come now. You have already come once. Now you guys are there to accept the challenges only. Okay, so Paris is here. Yes?
Anyone else is not coming, sir. I have to.
Yes?
He's an animal.
As
Nobody
not
comes.
coming, sir. I think I have to come.
Nobody was coming, that is why you came here. No problem. So Paris, what the topic you would like to have debate on?
I want to challenge him, sir. Any
No,
topic. I think.
any topic. You want to challenge Prab.
Yes, sir.
So the topic would be of Prab choice. Sure.
Yes, sir.
I'm still asking you to think on it. It's better to choose a topic on which you think you have good ideas. Otherwise, things can go tougher for you.
I have confidence, sir. I will.
Okay, let's see. So Prab, you have already had a debate with girls versus boy. If you wish to go with the same topic, that is your choice, because he has clearly mentioned that topic would be of your choice. There are 3 topics: girls versus boys, girls should work or not, and the last one is arranged marriage versus love marriage.
Let's do on that topic.
Now you don't have the choice. Let him choose only. I gave you
I want to
chance.
compete with the same topic.
Same topic: girls versus boys.
Girls are better than boys.
Girls are better than boys.
As I mentioned in the previous debate also, that girls are more better than boys because of multiple reasons. What do you think so?
I think
I think boys are better than girls. They have more responsibility and they.
No, girls
and they
also
can
have
handle
so
it.
many
No, I
responsibilities.
don't
They
think
have to
girls
take
have
care
more.
of their house
No,
also.
they
If they are
don't have
working,
more
if they are
responsibility.
working, they have to take
No,
care
they
of
have
their
more
workplace also,
responsibility.
their works,
No, they-
workplace also, their house also, their
Bro, they
kids
have to
also,
earn
their husband
bro,
also.
earn also. They have to work also at that time. They are.
Then you are supporting my topic only.
I'm saying boys. They
No,
have
no,
to-
no.
They have more responsibility.
Girls
They have
are
to
more
work.
responsible,
They have
bro.
to earn also, bro.
When you will go home, your mother will
Boys
be
have
the
more
only one who
patience
will
also,
feed
bro.
you na, with the lunch or
Boys have
dinner.
more patience also, bro.
Why do you think so? Girls have so much patience. When
Bro,
they
no,
are
sir,
pregnant, na,
bro, boys have more
they have to
responsibility, bro.
take care of their child for the 9 months with the patience also. With the
sometimes-
patience also, bro. If you are talking
Bro,
about the patience, they have more
sometimes-
patience.
Sometimes they don't have job also. They have patience at that time, bro.
What kind of patience you are
Bro,
talking
9 to 10
about?
months, bro. They have patience at that time, bro.
So that-
after plus two, I saw a lot of person after waiting for jobs that time.
No,
I think
you
boys
are
have more
talking.
patience
You
than
are
girls.
talking about only patience and patience, and I have so
bro,
many.
bro,
You know, I
patience,
have
responsibility,
multiple
and I
things
can-
to talk about the
No,
girls
I
also.
don't
They are way more
Bro,
better
boys
than.
are more
Previously, I was missed the chance to make that point.
Oh, I don't
That
think
was
boys are more
recently a girl. There was a movie
Bro,
also.
boy has to earn.
A
Boy has to
girl.
take responsibility of their family also. At the
No,
at-
don't you think so? Girls can also take the responsibility of their
Oh, they are not
of their
taking that
family.
much.
Why
They are not
why
taking
do
that
you
much.
think so, bro?
I'm not
Girls
saying-
are taking
I'm not saying
girls
that,
are taking
bro.
responsibility of their family. Girls
I
are the
never-
only
I'm not
one.
saying
If
that,
if I'm
bro.
talking about your mother, she is a housemaker, right? She is not taking care of you and your family.
She
No, I don't think
She's
so.
only-
I am
she's
completely
only that
criticizing
only
your point. I'm
No, I
not.
don't think
I'm
that.
not. I don't think so. Boys are
She's
better than
only
boys.
doing that
I
only.
also have a mother. I also have a sister. I think they are way more better than
You are not
myself.
better. You are not better.
I can't say I am better, but
Then-
I
I
the
say
things
I am
which I
better, boy,
have,
I
I think
say I am
the
better.
things which I have learned, I learned from
I
my
am
mother also.
I
I
don't
learned
think
the
that.
patience from my mother. I learned the
No, I
kindness
don't
from
think
my
that.
mother. I learned so many things from my mother. I will
Sometimes-
learn cooking from my mother
Bro-
also. She is my first
sometimes
teacher.
they get panicked
She is my
and
first
destroy
friend,
the work.
and she is way more. She is way more
Bro,
better than
sometimes they
me.
get panic and destroy the work. They don't.
My-
They don't have that much.
It is not about every girl, bro.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Stay here, sir. Very good.
Patience.
Okay. That's
I
very
have to
good.
speak anything.
Guys, show your love after the result, please. I don't know what you guys were trying to do, but anyway. Okay. So it was a great debate. Okay, but I feel there was a lot of repetition this time. Okay, like saying one thing again and again and again. Both of you were saying few things
Yes, sir.
again. So I was not enjoying that thing only, but yes, both of you gave good ideas when he brought the pregnancy again, and you brought that 9 months patience for work. I really like the way he, you criticized that point and spotted your side as well. That was a good point. You also had good points. He also had good points. Somehow, some of the points, Prab, I have already heard from you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you brought some new points as well. But the problem is, you were saying, I think this. Boys are better. Boys are better. Boys are better.
We have to
Rather
give
than
our opinion.
no, that is I'm telling you. Opinion was missing. Just saying that boys are better. Boys are better. Boys are better does not make boys better. Right? He was saying that I have learned so many things. Where I feel you could also say the things you might have learned from your father or the things we could learn from our fathers. Okay, so those things were missing. So this is why. Okay, again the winner is Prab. Congratulations, Prab.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so Prab has now 10 points and Par is 0, Keshav 5. Thank you so much, Prab. Kindly have a seat. Yes, who wish to come here next? Yes, any of you? The sessions are going really interesting. So, is there anybody willing to come here or not? You guys are prepared and not raising your hands? It's so bad. Yes, guys. I think girls are. You guys sit there if you are audience only. You guys are not even coming here, not even accepting the challenges. Please come here, Ria. Yes. So, Ria, what topic would you like to have a debate on?
Girls better than
Girls are better than boys, and you want to support
girls.
girls. Is there anyone who wants to accept her challenge? Kesha? Okay, Kesha, please come.
Yes, I have to come 3 times.
Anybody can come as many times you want to. So, Keshav, you already know what topic we are going to have debate on and what side is she favoring?
You're favoring girls?
Girls. Clear? Rules are clear to both of you? So you guys have 3 minutes. Please have the mic.
I think I lost, but I tried.
You did it. Start.
Boys are better than girls because boys have too many things to do. Boys have to earn for so many reasons. Girls have only chance to do some things because girls, if don't do anything, they have chance. They get their parents goodwill. They get married to another boy. But boys have to do anything. If the boys' parents have not any type of businesses, not type of any investment, so boys have to do so many things. Because have so many reasons to do so many things. Boys have to do government job because of their parents' pressure. They can't do anything of their own choices. I know girls have so many things. They have to do so many things. But due to of their parents' goodwill, they get married to another boy. That's not right. Boys don't do this. Boys don't have if their parents' goodwill. If boys have parents' goodwill, they don't marry with another girl of their higher class. But girls can. But if girls have their parents' goodwill, if the father of the girl have too many type of businesses, she marry her girl to another businessman son. But boys have to do so many things. Boys have to earn for their family. If you take it to
girls think emotionally and deeply, and
boys are also in today's generation. Girls are not too much emotional. If you have knowledge, girls are no. Boys have girls. You saying girls are only emotional, but boys are become practical because of so many reasons. They got too many.
Boys take immediately action in any
Because they have to take. They have no time to take. Girls have too much time. Because girls have too many time. No. That's not the reason. That's made by God. Girls have increased their hand. After boys, girls increases their. That's not. After maturing, they are unmature also. Not boys are also focused and disciplined. At what time you work? At what time you work? Tell me academic background. You see the UPSC result. You see the government exam result. Boys are always topper in JEE exams, in NEET exam, in UPSC exam, SSB exam, bank exam. Boys are also on top. Not. These CBSE exams, I think these are all cramming. Girls can do cramming in languages, but boys mainly in math subject, science subject. Boys are do too much, way more better than. No. Boys have much pressure. Boys have relatives pressure. Boys have parents pressure as well. Girls have not pressure of their parents, but boys have too much pressure of their parents as well. Because I can say that
pressure of family.
I don't say family. I say only.
Thank you. Well tried.
Sister,
both
don't
of
take
you.
it
It's okay,
personally.
It's okay. No worries. Okay. There is nothing to take personally for now, as it is a debate. I already told you last time. Okay, the cricketers don't fight out of the stadium once they lose. Okay, so in the stadium when they are playing, they can do anything. Mainly that they can play, right? Whatever the sport they are into. So you both have done a great job, and I'm very happy you also tried. See, your performance was better than your last time. That is what I am seeking here for. I am demanding this only. Come here and perform better than somebody, or at least better than yourself. If you even perform better than yourself, your last performance, I am happy because I can see the improvement. Clear, everyone? So the winner is very clear. Okay, it is Keshav. Nice examples, Keshav. You also tried well, but I think you had to go for some more examples and you had to speak more. Clear? Thank you so much, guys. Now Keshav has 10 points and Prabh has 10 points, and that's it, I guess. Others do not have any points, so the competition is between both of them only right now, I guess. Thank you so much, both of you. Kindly have the seat. Who is coming next? Just Bhavya. Very good, very quick. Nice, Bhavya. So Bhavya, what topic would you like to have debate on?
Love marriages are better.
Love marriages are better. Clearly, I wanna go for love marriages and arranged marriages. Okay, so she wants to support love marriages. Is there anybody who is against love marriages? Any of you can come here. Just raise a hand if you wanna accept the challenge. Okay, one is here. Okay, anybody else who is willing to, have a debate with her? No. 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 of them. Okay, like 3 students here who are accepting your challenge. Whom would you like to give this chance? Paras, Prabh or Keshav? Prab, very good. Nice.
I think arranged marriage are better because my parents also have the arranged marriage and they are living their life very well.
Nowadays, marriage.
Nowadays, if I talk about the love marriage rate, success rate, it is very low as compared to the as compared to the arranged marriage, because arranged marriages are way more better than love marriages, because it is a big story and it is a big journey of your life. You have to spend it like
There are many factors like emotional connections, like mutual understanding.
well, I don't think so. There is only a concern about mutual connection or physical connection.
So nowadays,
Like in arranged marriages also there are choice, like parents ask to their children's, like if you like this person or if you like this girl, we can say yes to the person as compared to your choice. So in arranged marriages also there is a choice. We can't say in arranged marriage there is no choice. We are not living in a 90s era. There we are living in a modern era in which arranged marriages are also doing very well. It is just in the previous times. In the previous times there was no love marriages. There was no love marriages. Only Indians are there are so many Indians nowadays only who believe in the love marriages, in the arranged marriages only, sorry. And I think the success rate of the arranged marriages are way more better than love marriages, because love marriages are getting divorced so much, as I saw the rate on also.
There's also arranged marriages like getting divorced. So it is not.
That could be another reason, but I feel if I talk about my parents, they are arranged marriage.
Your parents, not
No,
everybody's
if
parents.
not every it's okay, like most of the majority of the people are living here with the arranged marriages, as your parents also and my parents also, sir's parents also, they are arranged marriage. So most of the students are here whose their parents are arranged marriage and they are living their life very well. So I can't say that love marriages are better, because they feel after marriage they are into the relationship. Suppose if a couple in a relationship, they are in a relationship from a long time, and they have done the things after the marriage, before the marriage. So after the marriage they feel bored also.
I think, sir, it was a polite debate.
Yes. It's okay.
They feel bored also.
Okay, Ji. So, very good, both of you. But I was expecting way more, spirit and the potential or the ideas from you. I was thinking like you could have great ideas, as the topic was of your choice only. But somehow you didn't go with those that many points, and you were listening to him more than giving your points, right? So the winner is very clear. Okay, that is Prab, because Prab was giving multiple points and he was speaking more as well as compared to Bhavya. But at least you tried, that is good. But I was expecting way more better debate from you. Clear? Thank you so much. Now you have Prab 15 points. Congratulations. Okay, thank you so much. Have a seat. Mansi, what topic would you like to have debate on?
Same love marriages.
Love marriage and arranged marriage. You have two students who are accepting your challenge. So would you like to go with the debate with Keshav or Paras? Paras, okay, Paras, please come here.
I think it would be my third loss, sir.
It's okay. Earlier you were so much confident and now you are losing your confidence.
I'm still confident.
So rules are clear, both of you. So what side would you like to support? Love marriages, and you have to support arranged marriages. Clear? Start.
To my mind, love marriages are more better.
No,
than
I think arranged marriage is more good. The success rate is higher.
No, love
I think the
marriages.
success rate is higher.
Love
I
marriages
saw
are
this graph
better
yesterday in
because
the
we know the
Google.
person already and we know his interest.
I saw the graph yesterday in this Google only.
But you can check on the internet. Arranged marriages have high rate
It was
of
around
divorces.
80%. It was around 80% success rate of arranged marriage.
But
What about
you,
20%? Shows very less, I think.
but divorce
And
cases
that's
are
the
higher
real-
in arranged marriages.
It is high in love marriage.
No,
I
you can
yesterday I
check
went
on
to
the
the court
internet.
and
You
saw-
can check on the internet.
Sorry, 3 couples taking divorce after
But in
that.
love marriages, we already know the person.
After the person get in a drum, I saw the news yesterday.
In a,
Yesterday, the person get in the drum after love marriage. I saw it yesterday. He get killed in the You took pieces and put it in the drum. I saw yesterday only. How I believe you that love marriage is
But
good
in
after
arranged
that,
marriages,
after seeing that news, how
in
I will believe
arranged
that?
marriages, parents find partner for us. They only
Nobody
see money.
believes that after seeing that news. Nobody believes that. I
But
see
it-
yesterday only. And
You are only talking about that news.
huh?
You are only all matlab,
You
repeating
started
that
talking.
news.
You started talking. I will speak at that time. I will speak at that
No,
time.
but I think love marriages are better.
My
because
parents done arranged marriage. It is a great example.
My parents has also done
Then why you are supporting love marriage? Why you
But
are
I
supporting love
support
marriage?
because I think love
You
marriage.
have two examples in front of you. That the arranged marriage is good.
This does not matter because
Oh,
I
everyone
support
is,
love
yeah.
marriages.
I don't think so that.
But in arranged marriage,
Then your mind is going at the wrong path.
there are
at
many
the wrong path. No, I
there
don't.
are many influences
Arranged
of
marriage is good,
social
yeah.
evils like dowry
Arranged marriage
and
is good. Arranged marriage is good.
no, in arranged marriage there are most
I don't
influence of social
Tell me,
evils like
tell me who
caste
believe
discrimination.
who believe in love marriage after seeing that news? Who believe in love
everyone
marriage?
believes.
Then they believe in arranged marriage, na? Why they believe in love
Because
marriage?
when the topic came, nobody.
You want to get in the pieces in the drum? Tell me that.
You are
want
only
to get
talking
in
about
drum.
that
You want to
news,
get in
that news again and again. You
Yes.
are only talking about that news
Why are you
again
talking
and
about the
again.
news? Tell the another topic.
I am telling there
What
are
is the
many
topic?
cases of caste discrimination in arranged marriages. There are many cases of dowry who kill the.
I am also support that.
There
I'm
was
also for that.
recently there was
Nobody-
a news that
Nobody.
in arranged marriage a girl was
thank
Be
like
respectful to parents as well.
Okay, Ji. So winner is again very clear for me. Okay, I'm so happy that you tried, but you used Hindi Punjabi word also. So before I choose a winner, I would like to let our viewers know this. In this activity, we are not focusing on grammar. We are focusing on your fluency. So you can speak English naturally. Clear, everyone? Did you check your tones this time? Okay, this time you guys were natural. Right? The real Paras, the real Mansi. Somewhere somehow that you were not able to show yourself as much I was expecting. Okay, but Keshav, Prab, even Paras, okay, they were real. That is something I'm asking for. So this is the only purpose to do this debate session. So the winner for me is very clear, that is Paras. You tried best, you spoke Hindi Punjabi, but you had less number of points. You were asking him, why are you choosing one topic once again and again? You could bring another topic, but you were
Sir,
also
but
not.
he was only repeating that he was
You
not
could
even
bring
listening
more
to
topics.
me.
This is why I'm
I
telling you.
was
girl.
talking about the topic, but he was repeating
You were
the
not
news.
bringing the topic. You were not bringing new ideas. If you could bring new ideas, keep sharing it. He had to listen. But anyway, you tried best. You tried very well. Very good. Thank you.
मेरा भी खाता खुल गया.
Very good. So congratulations, Paras. You have 5 points. Okay, ji. Next, who is coming here? The students who are left, let me take their names. Ritik is left. Jas is left. Paras, you are also left. You did not come here. You accepted the challenge only. You didn't come here to challenge somebody. Clear? So, yes. Any of you can come here. Even from the audience, if somebody is interested to come here, you are free to come. So guys, we have somebody from the audience. Okay, thank you so much, Ritesh. First of all, I like when students even try, harder to participate. Maybe he's not prepared with the topics, but just after listening to you guys, he could not, stop himself to come here. So thank you so much for coming here, Ritesh. Could I know the topic you are going to have debate on?
Yes, we can debate on love marriage or
Arranged marriage.
versus
What
arranged
side
marriage.
would you like to support?
I side love marriage.
You are in the side of love
Love
marriage.
marriage.
Very good. So kindly let me know who are here, okay, to accept his challenge. 1, 2, 3.
Sir, every time we all three, sir, only.
Yes. This is what I am saying, na. The participation should be from every side. Everybody should be ready to participate. If somebody from the audience can come here, what are you guys doing? Not even accepting any challenge, not even trying. If I am on your place, I would be, okay, this time it didn't go well, I'll try once again. I could not leave any of the chances. These all are opportunities. You guys are missing them back to back.
I have two losses here.
Some of you are not even participating. Only 3 are participating. So sir, choose with Paris.
Start.
I think love marriage is better than arranged marriage.
I think arranged marriage is better.
Why you can
Success rate is higher there.
No,
It
this
is almost 80%. I saw it yesterday in the graph.
You have any girlfriend?
I don't think, yeah.
You have any girlfriend?
Huh?
You have any girlfriend?
Sir, this is personal.
No, personal. You have any girlfriend or a life partner?
I don't want girlfriend in my life.
In no,
I
you
want
can
to stay
do.
single. I want to stay single in my life.
You are in single.
Yes.
You do
I
arranged
want-
marriage only.
I-
Why you
I
can
want-
do?
I want to marry with my
Why you can
parents
do
only.
arranged marriage?
Huh?
Love marriage is also good
After
for a
that, it is
both.
divorce only after the love marriage.
No, you
Only-
that
only-
is
only-
your
only 20% there.
that you can remember. There will be a divorce. Why there was? I
There
am
is no
also
divorce.
I am also love
You-
marriage. I can put a divorce.
You have only one. You have only one.
No,
You have only one example. on that.
no one example.
I have many examples.
In love marriage,
My parents are
both
arranged
are
marriage.
both
His
are
parents
in
married, sir also.
in
No arranged marriage is better than. The success rate is very high there.
not arranged marriage is better because they choose parents are choose arranged marriage. In love marriage, the both
We
couples
respect our
are
parents,
both couples
No, I
are
don't think that arranged
choose
marriage is better.
before marriage. He
marriage
take
is better,
information about them.
What is the benefit of information after they will divorce only?
No divorce.
Why they
Do
don't-
you remember
I saw
that is
it,
your
yeah,
choice?
I
Your
saw it.
if
I-
in
I-
future,
I
if
saw
in,
lots of
if in
examples also
future
there.
your parents can say, Paris, you can do love marriage, you can divorce it. Divorce
The girl will
she.
get divorced, yaar.
No, this is not a way.
I saw a drum case also.
Drum case. This is not a drum
also.
case. No.
I saw a drum case also. You know.
Both are
Husband-
better, lekin
husband
love
was
marriage,
this is the drum
but
I
love
saw
marriage
yesterday.
is
He
good
was
than
he
love
also
marriage
did
is
love
good than arranged marriage.
Arranged marriage is better.
No, love marriage is better.
Arranged marriage is better. The success rate is very high there.
No.
Yes,
I know love marriage is better because there are both before marriage they linked proper
The success
they are
rate
in
is
a
very
law
high.
proper link.
What is the benefit of link? What is the benefit of link?
She is
Get in the pieces. And
she
get
is
in the
also
drum.
go
Get in the pieces and get in the drum. It is a benefit only, yaar. And the divorce rate is very high after that. It is only 20% success rate of love marriage.
no.
What you can say?
Okay. Please. Okay. They get a chance to know each other better. Maybe that is what he really wanted to say. But anyway, both of you tried very, very well. And I'm so happy that you tried to speak, in such a short time you have learned English and tried to have a debate today as well. So you are setting a good example for them. Okay. He has left his studies many years back. He has a gap of more than 10 years.
12 years.
12 years gap. And after that also, he came here and had a debate with somebody who was into studies. Okay, recently he has passed out and still he is planning to pursue his studies only. So he is very much connected to studies. But somebody who did not know English came here, made some examples or said something which was not very good to hear. But anyway, I guess better than just listening to his sentences, you have to understand his feelings as well. Okay, so I love the way he had ideas and he kept giving new ideas. And Paris, you were repeating some of the same things like drum thing, okay, the graph thing. So I was expecting some new points from you too. I have already heard those points and you were repeating them again and again. Despite the word you have used, that Hindi word, I still choose you as a winner because I can see a great potential in you. Congratulations. Okay, you have 5 points. Okay, thank you so much. Have a seat. So, now again, any of you can come here. The topic you want, the debate would be on that topic only.
Oh yeah.
Yes, any of you.
I will challenge you this.
I'll have the countdown.
There was only one break in between.
10, 9. Okay, ma'am is coming. Mishu ma'am. Very good, ma'am. Clap for her, guys. And from audience, students are coming. It means you should, appreciate yourselves because you are doing debate in such a good way that the audience cannot even restrain themselves to come here. So thank you so much, Misha ma'am, first of all, for coming here. And on what topic would you like to have the debate?
Girls should work.
Girls should work. And what side would you like to take? This one only? Girls should work? Okay, ji. So how many of you wants to accept her challenge? New? Pehli baar. Okay, ji. So Riya, Keshav, Prab and Paris are here to accept your challenge. Whom would you like to give this chance? Riya. Okay, ji. Riya, please come here. So rules are clear. You have to support or you have to say that girls should not work. Okay, this is the side you need to support. Ma'am, you need to support that girls have to work. Clear? You both will have 2 minutes 30 seconds. In that much time, either they laugh or say something, ignore them and focus on your debate only. Clear everyone? Okay, ji.
Should work because it is very beneficial for this financial growth. Because every woman should be independent for their own.
No, girls
and
should
be
not.
responsible
Girls
for
should
their,
not work because they
purchases.
feel insecure, and the environment is not good for girls.
This is what environment is very good there, but there are all.
If you think
exceptions.
environment is good, why still girl feels insecure?
There are always exceptions. You saw in your class when you are in school, there are so many students which are not very well in their studies.
Yes.
But although they have don't pass, even get passing marks, they don't let their study leave. They study. There are always exceptions. So there is the one thing. Some cases are there that girls are
And
not
no,
safe.
girls also have family pressure, and also religious and cultural
Even though the girls,
status.
even
They
though
have
the pressure is there,
and girls
but
do not
many
have much
girls are
ability to
multitasking.
girls do not have much ability to handle both housework and a job.
You say that they don't have mindset and don't handle the pressure.
Yes,
Why?
because they are.
No, girls are more independent and they have mindset to do multitasking.
No.
You see, there are so many women after marriage.
But
they
many
manage
families
their
won't.
house as well as
But
their-
many families won't. They girls do not go outside to do
No,
work,
no.
and they should have to take care of their
as
children.
I
And
said, there are always exceptions. Many girls do multitasking. They manage their home, kids, and also their work.
we
side
have
by side.
we also have to respect housewives, because housewife is also a job, because it is, I know it is unpaid, but it has their own value.
But as a housewife, I don't. Housewife, being a housewife is very good, but it is it is very useful to be a working woman because it is very it is beneficial for the personal growth also.
Raising children or doing hard work at home is also a good job.
When we go outside, the personality development is there because.
Okay, thank you so much, both of you. Okay, ji. So very good. I'm so happy, Riya. At least you tried to accept the challenge, and I'm very sure if you keep doing this, or if you keep your attitude like this only in everyday class, you will see some improvement. So this is the first step maybe you have taken towards your improvement. So very good. And ma'am, thank you so much once again coming from the audience and winning this round as well. So you are the winner. Congratulations, ma'am. And the points were really good. I have heard you before also onto the same topic, and today again I have heard you, and the difference is too much. Okay, so keep it up, ma'am. Thank you so much. So Mishu ma'am has 5 points now. So the points are like 5 points for Mishu ma'am, 5 points Ritesh sir has, and 5 Paras, 10 Keshav, and 15 Prab. Is there anybody willing to come here? I'll again start the countdown. If any of you is willing to come, you have seen already the students have improved a lot. Okay, just by trying. Mishu ma'am was not even prepared, but still she came here and won the debate too.
Give chance to anybody.
No, you guys are there, so it will never end. This is why we do need to end this activity as well. So this is why I'm going to start the countdown. If any of you is willing to come here, you can come before I finish my countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Prab, you are the winner, final winner. So how are you feeling, Prab, first of all?
Sir, I am feeling over the moon first of all, just because of the next step and the next step environment made me, and you made me to do this.
Thank you so much.
In the beginning, as you know, I was struggling a lot with the English, but day by day I started improving myself, and I have the experience of the activities also.
Right.
So that's why I am able to do this now.
So glad to hear that. Congratulations once again.
Thank you,
Let
sir.
me give you the mystery box. Okay, they are very excited to know what is in this. After unboxing this box, maybe IDP will be very angry with me because
I
it
already know, sir,
is
what
given to me by IDP. Okay, but I am giving it to you. As I said, that mystery box will be yours. Meanwhile, you are opening. First you can open it. Show them what is in this because they are very excited to know. You know already. Wall watch. It is a wall watch. Okay, so you can have it in your house, and that time you can come to know that this watch is because of my good time. Okay, let me bring you another mystery box. Again, IDP will be very angry with me. I feel like I do have these kind of boxes and I'm not using them, right? So I feel this can be more useful to you guys, and this is why I'm giving it to you. You can open it. I am very sure you don't know what is in this. Any guess before you open?
Sir,
Yes?
diary pen.
Diary pen. Diary and a pen.
Let's see.
Yes. There is a diary and a pen and a wallet
Wallet also.
and a card holder too. Okay, so Prab, I think these things can be useful for you, and I think whatever you get, once you win something like the prize, it always is priceless to you. Am I right?
Yes.
So thank you so much, Prab, for participation, for the great participation, and thank you so much to all of you to participate. And I am very, very happy for the students who came from the audience as well. And I'm not happy who prepared themselves, told me they are ready. I will not take the names, but I'm not happy. I, being a teacher, always want to see my students, growing. And you can grow only when you participate.
They come from audience and get points as well.
Right, everyone? So that participation was missing just because of the fear of losing. You didn't even come here. I told you, if you are not, willing to get this video uploaded, I would not upload your video. I would blur you or even, cut you from the part of that. But at least you had to come. So that was not possible with some of the students. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you also want to learn English or want to have an environment where everybody speaks in English only, then must join the next step. Thank you so much, everyone.